turn me around, turn me around. Ain't gonna let nobody turn me around. I'm gonna keep on marching, keep on walking, marching to the freedom land. Long time ago in America, they used to look at you and say your skin is dark, so they push you in the back. And if your skin is light, they put you in the front. And if your skin is white, they put you all the way in the front. But we say like this, ain't no let nobody turn you around, turn you around, turn you around. Ain't gonna let nobody turn you around. You got to keep on walking, keep on talking, marching into freedom land. Gotta get your people, gotta get your people, gotta get your people. Ancestor time, gotta get your people, gotta get your people, gotta get your people. Ain't gonna let nobody turn you around, turn you around. No, they're gonna let them turn you around, never turn you around. We got to keep on walking. Come on, y'all, keep on talking, marching into unity time. This is unity time today. Marching into unity time. I don't hear the people say, what you say? Marching into unity time. For all the people out here, we're gonna never let them turn you around, turn you around. Don't let them turn you around. Never gonna let them people turn you around. We're gonna keep on walking, keep on talking, marching into unity land. Thank you so much to have me a part of this. Heralding from Heritage OP, Hassan Bakar. Thank you so much.